Hello everyone, good afternoon. Here's Savita again. This one is my Asian pear and the fruits are all ripe now. It started dropping some of the fruits already. Some are too ripe, some are rotten. So I will be picking them up and putting them in my compost. I will harvest all of them now and start drying them. Guys, I can dry the fruits, even the apples. My husband handled a better tariff with our electric, so I'm really happy. And yeah, it's a lot of work, but it's a healthy snack for my kids and for us too in winter. So I'll do that. So these are the ones that I harvested. Some will be stored in the cellar and some I'll dry. And I have to gather all those rotten ones under. I just have to wear gloves because of all the wasps. So I just brought my dehydrator from the cellar and I'd like to work here on the terrace. It's a very beautiful weather and I don't have a very big kitchen anyway, so I'll work here. It will be drying 16 hours at 50 degrees centigrade per load, so I can only do one load today. So the first tray is ready. I still have 8 trays and then I can start the dehydrator. The ones in the bowl are the end pieces that I'll eat myself later. And of course the cores and the pieces that I cannot use, I cut it off and this will go in my compost. And of course those are the fruits that I'm cutting. And a bowl of water just in case I need it. So I'll continue here. Just like I said, 8 more trays and then I'll put them in the dehydrator and start processing them at 50 degrees centigrade for 16 hours. The first load of the Asian pears are now dry. They are not crispy, they are just leathery but very delicious. I don't like to dry them at higher temperatures because I'd like to keep some vitamins in there. And I started putting them in jars now. And it will keep in a cellar. By the end of February, early March, everything is gone. Of course, I share it with my kids too. September is a month that keeps me really busy harvesting all the fruits and the veggies and processing them. So I kind of neglect the garden maintenance, but in a few more weeks I will be done processing. So I'm doing the apples right now, and then I will be doing the grapes. The Korean pear is now done. I harvested, I processed. There are still a few in the cellar that I can eat fresh. And then I can start preparing the garden for winter, cutting hedges and everything else. Oh, look, I harvested another fig. So that's it for now. I hope to see you again in the next one. I have to go now and continue processing the apples. and have a nice day. Thank you for watching. Bye now.